if awukakazuzu uyithole umbuleleka ngaye, I'm here to make an appeal kuwena. Mkhulu uNkulunkulu, and ukuba mkhulu wakhe, mkhulu in such an extent that amaserafini kuthiwa ngamaphiko awo amabili yamboza ubuso, ngamabili yamboza izinyawo, ngamabili bese yandisa. Kuthiwa elinye limemeze kwelinye, nelinye liresponde kwelinye. Lithi ngabe ubone lokhu mina engikubonile yini? Kuthiwa athi, you are worthy of the praise. You are worthy of the honor. You are worthy of the glory. Athi amaserafini wena usuka enkazimulweni uhlale enkazimulweni. Athi wena izulu liyindawo yakho yokunethezeka, umhlaba uyindawo yakho yokunyathela. Athi wena ubeka umunwe ezintabeni zithunqe, wena usekelile izilwandle, wabamba izinkanyezi, wabamba ilanga, wabamba inyanga ukuba kunganqumbuzani. Athi wena ozwi lakho linomsindo ngathi ukuxabana amanzi amaningi. Athi ezulwini you are worthy, athi emhlabeni you are worthy. Who can be compared unto? Athi amaserafini, oh bafowethu, athi now we understand that ubunkulunkulu bakho abuncikile kwezinye izinto, buncike kuwena. So you must come to that level. I when I preach, I make no mistake. I explain that one. You must come to that level of understanding that whatever that exists, it is depending on Him. Nkulunkulu wena umkhulu kunakho konke. Ngiyabona ngathi konke kuyachafa. Uma ngikubuka ngikubona njengedalo zaphakade. As you are still seated on the throne, you are worthy of the praise. Oh, who can be compared? Who can be compared?